Can you teach me how to create AI scripts?
In this video, we will talk a little about the script and its working principle. The script is the set of commands that you give to the unit, whether the unit is infantry, vehicles, or aircraft. And as soon as this unit appears on the map, it executes the script commands that you assign to it. In this example, we will make Tanya and another soldier leave one house and enter another house through the script of going to a waypoint and then deleting the team members. By the way, this is similar to the American president and the Russian president entering a building in the trick or treaty mission. First, we must choose the units that will appear later on the map. In our example, we will choose Tanya and GI through the task force command. Now we open the AI script window. We add action by hitting the add action button to choose the Go to Waypoint command from the type of action list. Now one more time, hitting the Add Action button to choose from the list, Delete Team Members. With this, we have prepared the units that we will show on the map and the missions that they will perform, which are going to point 9 and then disappearing. This will suggest to the player that the soldiers left a building and entered another building. It remains for us to specify some options through the team window, which are choosing the task force and the script that we chose, and choosing the player or country to which this team will belong. Once we finish with the team, we go to the trigger and create a new trigger. We specify from the event the time from which this trigger will start, and then from the Action tab we choose from the list of commands how the soldiers will appear and where they will go from the point to which they will go. Now let's run the game and watch. Great, it went as we planned. That's how orders are done. And this is an example of any idea you might have. Let's see your creativity. Now, you must have learned a lot, so I want to see many likes on this video in return. If you really liked the video and would like to watch more videos, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button. Good day, see you in the next video.